Here are two Excel functions that replace copy-paste when combining tables, the VSTACK and the HSTACK functions. Let's start with the VSTACK function first. Let's say I have the monthly sales data in separate tables in this manner, and I want to combine them into one single table. Instead of copy-pasting, I can use VSTACK to stack this data vertically. Equals VSTACK, then select the first array, including the headers, comma, the second array excluding the headers, and the third array excluding the headers. Close parentheses and enter, and this instantly stacks the data vertically for me. Next, let's take a look at HSTACK function. HSTACK function is used to combine data side by side or horizontally. And there are a few applications for HSTACK, and let's dive into the first one, which is combining specific columns from a data set. Alright, so equals HSTACK. And let's say I need the order ID column and the product column only. I just select both of the column, close parentheses and enter, then HSTACK combine both of these columns into one single table. And let's look at the next example, which is combining a data set with a calculated column. All right, so for example, if this is my data set and I want to combine this data set with a revenue column, which is unit multiplied by the unit price. So what I can do is to type in equals HSTACK. Then for the first array, I just select this part of the data, then comma, then I select the unit column multiplied by the unit price column for the revenue or the calculated column. Then close parentheses and enter. And this gives me the first part of the array, which is this part, and with a calculated column. And because I'm selecting the headers as well, so it's multiplying both of these cells, which gives me an error. So what I can do here is to just exclude the headers for my data set. And this gives me the data that I need. All right. And let's look at the third example, which is combining HSTACK with XLOOKUP to look up the product category into this data set. All right, so first equals HSTACK. Then just like before, select the array, then comma, type in XLOOKUP, and then for the lookup array is the product column from the raw data. Then comma, the lookup array is the product column from the lookup array or the lookup table. Then comma, the return array is the category column. Close parentheses and another close parentheses for the HSTACK and press enter. And this gives me the product column, the data set, combining with the category column from the lookup table. All right, definitely try them out. And if you find this tutorial useful, make sure to follow me and I'll see you next time. Bye.